Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist John Carroll.
Well, we had some sunshine to start the day, but clouds have moved in rather aggressively, and we are anticipating some wintry weather moving forward through the day tomorrow. It's going to start tonight after about midnight, but it'll be a mix to start the day. And here's Prineville, the Prineville Reservoir, and not that much chop on the reservoir there. Yesterday was a bit windier in that location, but we are looking at some windy conditions in a number of locations. Area roadways, here it is. The ODOT cameras are seeing a nice dry scenario throughout the region, and that is going to be changing dramatically. We do have a winter storm warning in place. I talked about that for this wintry mix that's going to be moving across the region. It's going to start as a winter mix, then transition over into all snow after a cold front comes through at about 6 o'clock in the morning. So that's what's going to happen tomorrow in the very early portions of the day, with heavy mountain snow continuing, and high desert will get much less snow, but still a decent amount down in Sun River and Lapine and Sisters, and winds are going to be gusting and blowing that snow around. It's going to be problematic driving about tomorrow. With even if it stops snowing, we're still going to see the wind blow the snow around, but I think it's going to be snowing off and on throughout the day. Here is a look at the next 12 hours in Bend, and you can see that there is precipitation, and temperatures will be mild enough for it to be generally mostly rain before it transitions into snow after about 6 a.m. Well, winter storm warning, here it is in place, about 4 to 8 inches of snow, Lapine, Sun River, 6 to 10 around Sisters. Now, if you notice, Bend, Redmond, Madras, and Prineville are not included in the warning, as there is not that much snow expected in those cities. So we are going to be seeing some snow, but not nearly as much as what we're going to be getting south of, say, Lava Butte, and also, obviously, through the mountains. We are going to see feet of snow, but that is why we're not even included in an advisory for wintry weather, but we are included in an advisory for wind, with winds out of the southwest at about 25 to 35 miles an hour sustained, gusting to 55, and this is in effect all the way through Thursday morning, and that may be allowed to extend as we continue to watch this wind. This is 11 a.m. Thursday. It does relax a bit, and then it comes up from the southwest Thursday night and continues off and on throughout the next couple of days. So let's take a look at the radar. It's green. That means it's rain along 21, 26, 22. All of our mountain passes are on the wet side, but that'll be transitioning. Here's a look ahead. This is 4 o'clock here on your Wednesday. This is the rain. We were just talking about it. Now, we start to see it moving across it, a little bit blue mingled in there, but generally it's not going to turn into all snow until after that front moves through. In the front, by about 8 o'clock in the morning, we'll be well past the area. Icy conditions underneath, because you get the rain and then possibly a little bit of a flash freeze underneath, and that is problematic. And then as you move forward, another front comes through on Friday, and we see spotty snow showers off and on. High temperatures today were mild, 55 in Bend, 54 in Redmond and Prineville. Right now, we do have 53 in Redmond, 50 in the Bend area, although there are some clouds out there. The indication is that there isn't any, but it looks like we're at the 50-degree mark now, and overnight tonight it's going to be interesting because I don't expect us to see below freezing temperatures except down in Sun River and Lapine. So that's what we got for you. Big storm coming in Thursday and Friday, scattered snow from there on out.